Hey friends, welcome to Kloii Hummingbird TV. I have a BA in dance and I'm a certified yoga teacher with a decade of teaching experience. Today, I'll be teaching a Sun Salutation A flow. With any physical activity, proceed at your own risk and be sure to consult with your doctor if you have any previous injuries or blood pressure concerns. Let's flow. If you have blocks, set them next to your mat and meet with me in a child's pose. Bring your big toes to touch and spread your knees as wide as comfortable for you. Bring your torso down towards the mat and press your forehead or chin or chest on the mat. Extend your fingertips forward. You should feel a nice stretch in your arm space here. That's the stretch you want to feel. Press your pelvis down towards your heels. Take a full body scan from your fingertips to your toes. Settle into how you feel right now. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a slow inhale through your nose. Seal up your lips. When you get to the top of your breath, feel the suspension. Maybe you take in another sip of air. Notice how the lungs are a muscle too. Hold it. Exhale for 4. Control it. 3. Core in, air out. 2 and 1. 2 more. Just like that. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Blink your eyes open if they aren't already open. Extend your heart forward 1 inch, lifting the heart up with every inhale, lowering the pelvis down with every exhale. Inhale. Exhale, walk your hands over towards the left side of your mat. Feel a stretch through your right side body. Reinforce the engagement of your hip into the earth. Press your shoulders down gently away from your ears. You're in control here of how deep you want your stretch to be. The more you reach the side, the deeper it is. If where you are is already deep enough and you can maintain your breath, you're doing it right. Inhale. Exhale over to the opposite side. You're right. You may notice one side feels a little differently than the other side or not. Begin to tune in to the micro movements and what makes you, you. We all have points in our body that are more open or stronger than other points. Yoga is a practice of awareness. On your journey of tuning in to yourself, use your breath as a tool to come back to focus, to come back to you. Inhale. Exhale back to center. Inhale, tabletop. Bring your hands right underneath your shoulders. Push into the earth and lift your shoulders towards the wall behind you. Your knees are hips width distance apart. Begin to do circles of your neck towards the right. Inhale down. Exhale, rolling up. Feel free to go slower or faster than I am now, as long as you're in tune with your natural breathing. Whenever you feel ready, reverse the direction of your neck circles. Inhale, cow pose. Lift your heart up towards the sky. U-shape with your spine. Exhale, cat pose. Tuck your chin into your chest in oval. How high can you get your upper back to touch the sky? Inhale, cow pose, reverse. Exhale, cow pose, contract. Inhale, cow pose. Keep going back and forth, your own pace and timing here. For 4, 3, 2. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Flip your feet over, push into your hands and lift your pelvis up towards the sky. Feel free to take a heel toe here. Also, if it serves you, bend your knees an inch or 2. You can take a wide stance for a sweeter option in your feet, or for a spicier option, bring your feet closer together. Inhale. Exhale, pull your heartstring an inch closer towards your legs. Feel that opening in your heart center. Inhale, look in between your feet. Exhale, forward fold to the back of your mat. Allow your head to be nice and heavy here, like a bowling ball for your spine. Slight bend in your knees. Here, you'll feel a stretch in your entire backside body, from your ankles all the way to your neck. Inhale. Reach your left hand up towards the sky and do circles with your wrist. Okay, your right hand is right underneath your face. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Let's do the other side. Inhale, your right arm up to the sky. Start to circle it out here. You may hear some snap, crackle, pops. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. One more time. Inhale, your left arm up towards the sky. Go deeper this time. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your palms to your shins. Stack your hips right over your ankles. Flat back. Pull your heart forward. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Push through your heels. Your head is the last thing to rise. When you get to the top, reach your hands up towards the sky. Pinkies turn in towards each other. Push through your heels. Engage your core and lengthen your tailbone down. Inhale, interlace your hands together. Exhale, reach to the left side. Push your right heel into the ground for stability and focus your gaze up towards the sky. Inhale, mountain pose. Slowly rise. Switch your grip. Exhale over to the right side. Reinforce into your left foot this time and feel the stretch through your side body. You may feel it in your hip or shoulder. Wherever you need the most love is where you'll feel it. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, baby back bend. Cactus your arms to the side. Squeeze your shoulder blades in together and activate your core. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Keep your arms extended, toning your arms on the way down. Inhale, halfway lift to iron out your spine. Exhale, squat and curl. Come as high as you can on the balls of your feet. Bend your knees, tuck your chin into your chest. Option to balance by wrapping your right and left arms around your legs. Inhale, high plank. Shift through your heels. Squeeze everything into your midline. Engage your core. Press your shoulders back to the wall behind you. Exhale, low plank. Bend your elbows 90 degrees. Flip your feet over and push into your hands. Hands are right underneath your shoulders. Look over your left shoulder at your back foot. Then look over your right shoulder at your back foot. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, downward facing dog. That's our Sun A flow, friends. Let's put it all together and connect the dots. Breath to movement. Inhale, look in between your feet. Exhale, forward fold to the back of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, over to the left. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, over to your right. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, look in between your feet. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, to your left. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, to your right. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Come to your knees and find stillness back into our child's pose. Our final resting pose. Congratulations, you made it through your Sun Salutation A for the day. Notice what's coming up for you when your body gets still. Where does your mind go? Does it start to wander and leave the present moment? You deserve a clear mind. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Easy pose. Come to a cross-legged seated position, facing forward, with your eyes closed and your palms in front of your heart together. We'll wrap up with the freedom prayer. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May all beings everywhere, including myself, be happy and be free from suffering. May the thoughts, words, and actions of my character contribute in some way to that happiness and to that freedom for all beings. My name is Kloii Hummingbird. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe.